Let's multiply, making sense of decimals in multiplication. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to dive into the world of numbers once more. We'll be looking at a fascinating topic: multiplying decimals by whole numbers. Have you ever wondered how to multiply a decimal number with a whole number? Well, you're about to find out. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to mastering this skill. Before we dive into the deep end, let's start by making sure we understand what decimals and whole numbers are. Whole numbers are all the numbers we count in everyday life, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Decimals, on the other hand, are less than 1 but more than 0. They have a decimal point to show this, like 0.5 or 0.75. We also need to ensure that we're comfortable with basic multiplication. Multiplication is simply the process of adding a number to itself a certain amount of times. If we're multiplying 5 by 4, we're adding 5 to itself 4 times, which gives us 20. Now, here's the fun part: multiplying decimals by whole numbers. The process isn't as complicated as you might think. Here's the secret: pretend the decimal point isn't there. Multiply the numbers as if they were both whole numbers, and then put the decimal point back where it belongs. For example, if we're multiplying 0.5 by 3, we ignore the decimal point and imagine we're multiplying 5 by 3, which gives us 15. But remember, we removed one decimal place from 0.5, so we must put it back. This makes our answer 1.5 instead of 15. Now, let's get some practice. Try multiplying these numbers: 1, 0.6 x 4, 2, 0.75 x 3, 3, 0.8 x 5. Did you get the answers 2.4, 2.25, and 4, respectively? Great job! Keep practicing, and you'll master this skill in no time. That's it for today, everyone. We've now learned how to multiply decimals by whole numbers. Remember, the key is to ignore the decimal, multiply as you would with whole numbers, and then replace the decimal point in the final answer. Keep practicing with different numbers, and soon this process will feel natural to you. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you next time when we continue our journey in learning English and the wonderful world of numbers. Happy learning!